Hi students, in this video we are going to discuss about rainbow. Rainbow. First I would like to give a normal example here. Rainbow which will be forms due to the dispersion principle. Now here suppose a person is here. This is the earth. This is the earth. Here sun is here. Sun is here. Now a rain falls. Because of the rainfall, the sunlight falls on the earth, or suppose there is some cloud is there. Suppose there is some cloud is there. The sunlight will be falls on the cloud. After that, it will be forms a rainbow. It will be forms a rainbow opposite to the sun. That means in this direction. If suppose person is here, he will observe rainbow here. That means the person who is beyond the sun observe the rainbow in this direction. If this is earth, sun is here, cloud is here, rainbow will be formed here. Now the person beyond the sun only can observe the rainbow. Here it is the rainbow observed by the person. Sun is here, cloud is here. Here cloud is here, rainbow observed by the person. It is the sun. Sunlight rays are falling on the cloud. That means from these two diagrams what we understood? We understood that the rainbow which always forms opposite to the direction of the sun. Here also please observe carefully the rainbow which always forms opposite to the direction of the sun. Okay, now there are two types of the rainbows. One is primary rainbow. The second one is secondary rainbow. The second one is secondary rainbow. Once again I am repeating the point. There are two types of the rainbows, primary rainbow and secondary rainbow. Now I can show the diagram how it will be formed. Now take, it is a water drop. Take, it is another water drop. Consider two light rays from the sun. One of the light ray falls on the rainbow. It is denser medium, it is rarer medium. After that, it will be refract towards the normal. After that, it will be reflect. After that, it will be come out or going away from the normal, from the water drop. Now take another light ray which is falls on another water drop. Another order. It will be bent towards the normal. After that reflect. After that once again coming out from the raindrop. That means these two will be meet at a particular point of observer. That means it will be refract after that one. These two will be meet at a particular point. Say, this is observer. This is observer. Okay? That means the observer who can observe the rainbow opposite to the sun. Here is sun. Here what you understood, the light rays are one refraction, one reflection, another refraction. That means in the primary rainbow we notice that two refractions and one reflection we observe. So that light is suffers two refractions, one refraction, second refraction, and one internal reflection, one reflection. That is why the primary rainbow is more intensity. More intensity. Now we are going to discuss about secondary rainbow. In the second rainbow, take a water drop, take the light rays from the sun, it will be refract, after that reflect, once again reflect, and it will be come out like this. At the same time, take another water drop, take another light ray which is falls on the water drop. Here is the sun. So it will be refract, reflect, once again reflect. After that, it will be come out from the water drop. So this is the path. Here is observer. Here is observer. Please observe carefully. How many reflections and reflections we are observed? First light rays entered. One refraction, reflection, reflection, refraction. That means here also enters refraction, reflection, reflection, refraction. That means in the second rainbow we observe that two reflections, two reflections, two refractions. Two refractions. So from what happened here, here light is suffers number of reflections, number of refractions. Here light is suffered only two refractions, one, total is three, here is four. As a result, the intensity of the light will be decreases, but here the intensity of light is more than the secondary rainbow, therefore less intensity. Less intensity. Now once again I am observing, once again I am repeating, there are two types of the rainbows, primary rainbow, secondary rainbow. In the primary rainbow, the light ray enter into the liquid drop or water drop. This is a water drop. Water drop and suffers two refractions, one reflection. As a result, its intensity is more. So observer on the earth can see the primary rainbow very clearly, clarity. Whereas in case of secondary rainbow, the light ray which suffers two reflections, two refractions. As a result, its intensity will be less. Its intensity will be less. Therefore, a observer on the earth will observe very less rainbow or less intensity rainbow in the sky. However, in the primary rainbow and the second rainbow, the rainbow which is always forms opposite to the direction of the sun, here as well as here. Now I would like to elaborate once again point by point. Please observe carefully. Now go for the theory. Point number one. Point number one. The rainbow The rainbow is the best example. The rainbow is the best example. The rainbow is the best example of of dispersion of light. Dispersion of light. Dispersion of light in nature. In nature. Full stop. My dear students, once again I am repeating the point. Please observe carefully. The rainbow is the best example of dispersion of light in nature. Now go for the point number 2. It occurs it occurs it occurs in the form of it occurs in the form of concentric concentric colored circular colored circular colored circular arc colored circular arcs in the sky. In the sky. Once again, I am repeating the second point. It occurs in the form of concentric colored circular arcs. Circular arc means these are the circular arcs in the sky. Now, point number 3. When the sun shines, when the sun shines when the sun shines on raindrops on raindrops during during or after during or after a shower after a shower after a shower comma the essential condition the essential condition the essential condition for observing for observing for observing a rainbow is that is that rainbow is that observer observer must observer must stand with has back back towards the sun, back towards the sun. This is the important point. Please observe carefully. When the sun shines on the raindrops during or after the shower, the essential condition for the observing a rainbow is that observer must stand with his back towards the sun. What is the meaning for that one means? Here there are the particles. Here there is a sun. The particles, the sunlight falls on the particle after reflection from this one. After reflection from this one, here is a observer. This is the earth. This is the earth. That means the observer who is stand beyond the sun. This condition has to be satisfied. Next point number 4. The common center of concentric circular arcs lies on the line joining the sun to the eye of the observer. Once again I am repeating this point, my dear students. The common center of concentric circular arcs lies on the line joining the sun to the eye of the observer. This is also important point. Previous diagram also supports this point. Now point number 5. Point number 5. During or after a shower, a large number of tiny water droplets remain suspended in air. remains suspended in air. Full stop. Once again I am repeating this point, my dear students. During or after the shower, a large number of tiny water droplets remains suspended in air. Now point number 6. They act like they act like they act like small prisms. Small prisms. That means that water droplets act like as a small prisms. What is a prism will do? When a light ray fall on it, it will be refract and reflect. That means two refractions, one refraction, second refraction. That means two refractions. Okay, like that. That means they act like as a small prisms. Now, point number 7. The incident sunlight is the incident sunlight the incident sunlight is refracted and refracted and refracted and dispersed. Refracted and dispersed on passing through the on passing on passing through the on passing through the droplets. Passing through the droplets. Now, point number 8. Once again, I am repeating this point, my dear students. The incident sunlight is refracted and dispersed on passing through the droplets. That means small prisms or droplets. Now, if then suffers total internal reflection, total internal reflection total internal reflection and is finally refracted by the droplet refracted by the droplet to reach the to reach to reach the observers to reach the observer's eye. Full stop. Once again I am repeating the point, my dear students. If then suffers total internal reflection and is finally refracted by the droplet to reach the observer eye. Next, point number 9. In a primary rainbow, red color is red color red color is on the outside on the outside on the outside of the arc. On the outside of the arc, and blue color is and blue color and the blue color is on the inside of the arc. Full stop. Once again, I am repeating this point, my dear students. In a primary rainbow, red color is on the outside of the arc and blue color is on the inside of the arc. Now, point number 10. Now, point number 10. Under favorable conditions, a fainter rainbow may also be seen alongside this is called secondary rainbow. Secondary rainbow. Once again I am repeating this point, my dear students. Under the favorable conditions, a fainter rainbow may also be seen alongside. This is called secondary rainbow. Actually, you know what is the secondary rainbow? How many reflections are occurring in that one? What is the intensity of secondary rainbow? Okay, now I hope you understood what is the primary rainbow, second rainbow, principle of rainbow, and how the rainbow will be formed, and the important points. All I already explained this in this video. However, thank you very much for watching this video with full of careness. Thank you.